We know it's not easy to hire and retain a new employee, which is why we wanted to let you steal a page from our playbook. Bully Welch has been doing this for over 40 years and has some best practices to share. Hi, I'm Abby Engers, Director of Bully Welch's HR Consulting, and I'll be hosting a 3-part series starting on Thursdays, October 3rd through 17th. For the first workshop, How to Hire, we'll be joined by Jen Lind, our Senior Admin Recruiter, who has over 20 years of hiring experience. For the second workshop, How to Onboard, we'll be joined by Hannah Bergersen, a Senior HR Recruiter and member of our HR Consulting team, who's helped many companies with their best practices around onboarding. And for our third workshop, How to Retain, we'll be joined by Fogg, Bully Welch's Chief People Officer, who's going to share with us some of the tips, tricks, and strategies that recently landed her on an award list for being one of the top HR leaders in the Portland metro area. Make sure you RSVP and save your spot to this free workshop series. We look forward to seeing you there. You can sign up at bullywelch.com.